What's up, guys? Back with another video, and today we will be straight piping pit bikes. And we know how much you guys liked when we straight piped our 125. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today.
Unfortunately, the two Suzukis are not straight pipeable, and you can't even take the muffler off. So sorry about that, but we did get Luke's 110 straight piped.
Hey guys, Luke usually rides a 110, that red one, and this is him on a 250, and look how small he still makes it.
Oh, we got Seth on a 250. He's barely even got one toe down. We're gonna start heading out to the track. So we made it out to the field, but the farmer that owns the land was there, and he said he doesn't want us riding on the field anymore. Blah, blah, blah. He'll call the cops if we go again. So no more field. And he did bulldoze the track. So it's all just flat field again, and we'll have to find a new spot to put it. All right, guys. So Seth's actually going to go check the track out real quick. I guarantee it's gone, but he's going to go check anyway.
Hey guys, I'm here at the track, and it was bulldozed. It looks extremely torn up. This is all of our jumps.
Now we're headed out to this different spot to go drag race the 3 pit bikes. It's like a gravel road, but you guys will just see when we get there. Next little bit of the video that you're gonna see is us drag racing the 3 pit bikes. Go. Seth got on video, but we were racing and one of the bikes Luke's was on doesn't have brakes and he crashed, and so we're heading back right now, but we'll see you there. So I'm back at the house now. Everyone else had to leave for sports, but Luke is okay. His crash wasn't horrible. It's just the bike he was on didn't have brakes, so he kind of couldn't stop and just hit into one of the other bikes, but he's all right. Couldn't finish the video today, but we'll get it finished tomorrow and posted. What's up, guys? All right, so this is the second part of this video. This second part is this is the main part of the video. This we're gonna surround the video around, but this is the second part of the video. This is a 1997 Honda Z50R. Been in my family for a long time now, and we're gonna be ripping it today. We're gonna be ripping the 30-year-old bike. All right, so let's go rip this thing. That's it. All right, let's put it on. All right, we just got the 50 all cleaned up, and we're gonna do go do a top speed run. All right, I got Johnny going down there right now to film, and once he's down there, I'm gonna get on the top speed app or the speedometer app and start going. I don't know what we're gonna get, but I'm gonna guess anywhere from 30 to 35. I said 35 at the house and we hit 34.2. That's pretty good for a very old 50, but we're gonna run it back a couple more times to see what we get. All right, we're going for the second attempt right now. All right, so that time we hit 33.3, which is a bit slower, but I think we can hit 35, so we're gonna try one more time. All right, depending on what happens, this is the third and maybe last attempt. Here we go. Johnny, you got any guesses at what I hit that time?
34.1, a little bit slower than the first time.
36.
Why so much faster?
I don't know. I just kept it longer, I guess. But yeah, this thing hit 36. 1997
36 is crazy.
ZR 50R. That's pretty good. But we're gonna head back to the house and spray this thing down a little bit and let it cool off because it's overheated for sure. All right, we're gonna go ask Owen and Carter what they think. All right, so Carter, what was your guess at the top speed run?
32.
Owen?
27.
27. All right, you guys know what? You want to know what we hit?
Yeah.
We hit 36.
36.
All right, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Go like and subscribe, and you might see the ZR50 in a later video.